Welcome to another Jamaican Food Finds video. Here we have our tinned ackee. Ackee and saltfish is our national dish. You can't get it regular, so here you have it in the can. Then you have Aunt Jemima pancake mix. Very, very nice. And the syrup goes along with it. Then you have the condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk. Can't have our coffee without the sweetened condensed milk, nor the cornmeal porridge without it. And then you have the plantains. Yes, we love the plantains as a side dish. In Nigeria, they call it dodos. And sweet potatoes. Yes, sweet potatoes are good for puddings. You can cut it up and fry it and good in soups. And the cocoa yams are also good in soups, and you can also use it to make puddings. And then this is a look at the coconut in the shell, and this is also a view of the coconut when you've removed it from the shell. And this is how we have to cut it up into strips or tiny pieces to blend it, because you know it's easier to blend it than grate it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, like. The best is yet to come.